I am Varghese George. Today I am going to give you a brief introduction about how to prepare a organic nutritious red wine as a medicine which is very useful for fight against microorganism, fungus, etc. Benefit of red wine. The researchers suggest that drinking an occasional glass of red wine is good and it is a good antioxidant for human body and help protect against heart disease also. It contains rich in potassium, sodium, calcium, magnesium and also contain vitamin A, Z, D, etc. Wine is a cholesterol-free drinks with carbonate. Alcohol in wine contain say organic compound. It can use as a drug. It is a natural ethyl alcohol or grain alcohol or mainly known as ethanol. Alcohol is a toxic that kills cells such as microorganism, fungus like several coronavirus also. It is a very high in healthy antioxidant. In fact, red wine is linked to more health benefit than any other alcoholic beverage. Formulas of red wine or proportion of the components. Brown grapes 3 kg, jaggery powder 3 kg, boiled and cooled water 6 liter, soaked food grains like chickpeas, wheat, dal, rice, moong, and spices like cardamom, clove, cinnamon stick, skin and leaves, pepper powder, etc. And also orange, sugar, etc. The proportions are given in the description box. Preparation of natural carbon for purification of the wine process. Burn 1 coconut shell and collect the black pieces which was burned completely after cooled by pouring water on it. Preparation of yeast solutions. Take 1 glass of a warm water and put 2 tablespoons of yeast and sugar each to be added into it and mix thoroughly and keep for 2 to 4 hours. Cleaning and purification of filter cloth. Cut the filter cloth in several pieces in a required size for filter and put into a boiling water in a suitable container for 10 minutes. This will ensure to destroy all kind of bacteria, fungus, virus, germs, etc. in the cloth and get purifying and clean. Cleaning of raw grapes. Put the entire grape in a suitable container and add pure water. Again, you can add 3 spoons of vinegar and 2 spoons of soda powder in it and wash thoroughly. Rinsing with the pure water after wash the grape. Separation of cleaned grape for breaking the skin in the mixie grinder. Transfer the separated cleaned grape into a suitable mixie grinder for breaking the skin. The broken grapes is ready for wine process. Adding the yeast solution which was prepared before 2 hours into the jar. Adding the soaked food grains, moong, chickpeas, wheat, rice, dal, etc. This will be about 25 to 50 gram each. Addition of spices like cardamom, cloves, pepper, cinnamon, about 5 to 10 gram each. Preparation of jaggery solution. Add up 2 kg jaggery powder into a 5 liter boiled and cooled water and dissolve it. After dissolved, pour into the porcelain pot. Preparation of natural carbon bags. Take 10 to 25 gram burned coconut into a cleaned filter cloth pieces and tie up as a small bag like shown in the video and put into the jar or pot. Stirrer by wooden rod or stick. Closing the porcelain pot or jar after loading the old component for wine preparation.